the storm that prompted the The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Henderson County in northeastern Texas, southern Van Zandt County in northeastern Texas, until 6 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Van, or 15 miles southeast of Canton, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Athens, Gun Battle City, Kenton, Chandler, Van, Malakoff, Brownsboro, Eustis, Edam, Caney City, Curtis Creek State Park, Paine Springs, Log Cabin, Murchison and Moore Station. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 531 and 542. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Limestone County in north central Texas, western Freestone County in north central Texas, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fort Parker State Park, or near Mahia, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Mahia, Groesbeck, Teague, Wortham, Coolidge, Fort Parker State Park, Tehua-Kana, Streetman and Curtin. This storm has shown signs of significant low-level rotation. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.